In the sewn products industry, securing orders is a competitive task, as meeting the key parameters such as price, delivery speed, and quality is a must, while delivery and quality are non-negotiable. The factor that can really make or break deals boils down to price. In fact, fabric and trim costs are standard. So what's really being sold is the operational efficiency or the manufacturing cost. Hence, what's really needed is a specialized optimization tool that accurately establishes the manufacturing cost, giving a real edge to the manufacturer. Being an expert management solutions provider, Methods Apparel has developed the perfect solution, Pro-SMV. It provides a scientific approach to set the best method and optimize manufacturing costs. A predetermined motion and time system based on MTM2, Pro-SMV defines international standard minute values for the sewn products industry. It monitors SMV changes at every stage, from costing to production, allowing different stages to be compared, computes thread consumptions, and manages critical data incidents. When methods are improved, a new SMV is determined, which can easily be stored using images and video to quantify the real impact of the work study team. The system produces a robust database over a period of 3 to 6 months, storing 80% of the operations, speeding up future operations, and increasing efficiency, which is desperately needed to be globally competitive. For the past 2 decades, Pro-SMV is running in several factories over 20 countries with a Windows version. But now we've made it more powerful and accessible by moving it to the cloud with a phone and a web-based app that boasts a futuristic dashboard. It empowers the management and industrial engineers with transparent, reliable, and accurate information. The training is intensive and lasts 4 weeks with continuous evaluation throughout. Qualified trainees are rewarded with a practitioner's license, with certified Pro-SMV practitioners and a robust database. Get the best methods, secure orders through accurate costings, improve efficiencies, and start your journey to achieve manufacturing excellence.